Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by enabling Bluetooth, location, and Wi-Fi on both devices. You need radio and location signals for discovery. On your device, unlock the screen and open the app you want to share. Tap the app's Share button and pick Nearby Share. You do this now so the receiving phone can appear quickly. Once you select Nearby Share, the system advertises your device. Make sure the other person is nearby and watching their screen. This speeds pairing and avoids accidental transfers. Once Nearby Share shows available devices, tap the recipient to start. This initiates a secure handshake so both phones agree to exchange data. If you expect multiple people, set visibility to contacts or everyone, make sure you revert it later for privacy. The receiver will get a prompt to accept, have them confirm quickly. After they accept, tap Send and monitor the transfer progress bar. If the app package is large, wait for the complete confirmation before closing screens to avoid interruptions. After the transfer finishes, verify the app or link on the receiving device. Open it to ensure content and permissions are correct. If the app requires installation, follow the Play Store prompts or grant temporary install permissions. This is why you might see extra screens. If something goes wrong, try toggling Bluetooth and location, restart Nearby Share, and retry. These simple resets often fix discovery problems. If visibility prevents pairing, set both devices to everyone briefly, then change visibility back for security once complete.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.